Khash Saghafi here, Liberty Home Mortgage. So today I'm going to talk to you about our no money down FHA loan. So no money down FHA, we actually give you the down payment. The down payment for an FHA loan is normally 3.5% of the purchase price. So whatever you're buying, the down payment is 3.5% of that number. I'll give you an example. Let's just pretend that you're buying a house for $100,000, okay? And this beautiful, lovely home for $100,000 is sitting smack dab in Los Angeles, California. No, I'm joking with you. Of course, all my friends in California are like, Khash, where in the world do you buy a house for $100,000 at? Well, there's places in the United States that do have that price. Los Angeles is just not one of them, okay? So for an FHA loan, the down payment is 3.5% of whatever you're buying. So for example, if you're buying a house for $100,000, 3.5% of $100,000 is $3,500. So the down payment is $3,500. Now what happens is this. The lender, will give you, you know what, I'm going to draw it up like this actually. I've got a better way I want to draw this one up. So I'm going to put a $100,000 house. This is what happens normally. The lender gives you 96.5% of the purchase price. 96.5% of $100,000 is $96,500. The down payment, which is 3.5% of $100,000, is $3,500. So what happens normally is the lender gives you this amount and the buyer has to come up with that amount. Your down payment is $3,500. With our FHA no money down, how we do it is this. I give you this loan, $96,500. I also give you this in the form of a loan. This is the down payment loan. Some people will say that's a down payment assistance loan. Almost all down payment assistance programs are extremely restrictive. Our down payment assistance program is simply the best there is. I've done this job now for over 23 years, since 1999 actually, and I've been searching so long for a solid down payment program to help that was smooth and seamless and you didn't have to jump through 1,000 hoops. Well, we've got it now, and the best part is we underwrite it all in-house within our company, so there's nothing better than controlling the whole process. So what happens with it is this. We give you the first loan here. We give you this in the form of a loan. Now check out this loan here, the $3,500 down payment loan. It's at 0% interest with no payments due until you sell or refinance the home. Pretty impressive loan. The minimum credit score is 620. So check this out. I'm going to write down the bullet points for this thing. It's impressive. The minimum credit score is 620. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer. So do not have to be, I'll write all this down, I guess, right? Have to be a first-time home buyer. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer. This is big because almost all down payment assistance programs out there, you have to be a first-time home buyer. You have to have credit scores typically of like 640, 660 and up. The debt-to-income ratio in this program, now you'll like this one. And by the way, if you're a loan officer out there or a real estate agent, you might understand this a little bit better. The debt-to-income ratio can go up to 56.9%. Most down payment assistance programs are very restrictive on the debt-to-income ratio. This one is not. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer. You can actually own other homes and you can use this program to buy your next home as long as you're moving into it and all of the numbers make sense and your income is enough to support everything. So minimum credit score of 620. We go up to a higher debt-to-income ratio. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer. This follows regular FHA guidelines. There is no down payment assistance or no money down FHA program better than this one. We've got it here at Liberty Home Mortgage. We lend in 44 states and we handle every single thing in-house. If you have questions, call me on this, message me. I'm posting this on social media, and always like, follow, share all of these videos because it helps the industry, it helps everybody out there, and it might even help you or somebody you know. Thank you so much.